Hello everyone, welcome to another video. Now today I will show you how to see how someone added you on Snapchat. As you can see, currently I have quick ads right here, but what you can do is you can go here to plus on the plus sign in the right corner, which is like a friend plus sign, right? And here you'll be able to see all the friends that added you, right? For me, it doesn't display anything because no one has yet added me on Snapchat, but you will see added me section here where it says quick add. Up from that section will be added me section, and then you will be able to see your friend's name, and you'll be able to see whether they added you from your contacts or whether they added you from somewhere else, right? And I'll put the screenshot on this video just so you can see how this will look like for you. For me, it doesn't look like that, but for you, it will look like this, right? If you have someone that have added you to your Snapchat. Now, this is pretty much how to see how someone added you on Snapchat. It's really simple, really self-explanatory. Now, if you don't have that option, make sure to update your Snapchat application, and then make sure to go into your Snapchat once again. And if you don't have that option again, then you will be able to wait a little bit to get that option. So I hope this video helps. If it did, leave a like down below, and yeah, we'll see you in the next video. Thank you guys for watching.